is another space where we carved out a bathroom here. So you got a big standard shower and the freestanding vanity. And this is actually a really good sized bedroom. You see the flooring is the same throughout, the LVP throughout. So this is one of the bedrooms. It's like master. Of course we have our hall bath and a smaller bedroom. So the apartment has a couple different ways. There's the hall bath view that we have, and then the smaller bedroom. So we had people inquiring about this. Certainly it's a 2-bedroom, 2 people can live here, but a couple people just felt like, okay, that would be the bedroom and this would be their home office. So great opportunity here. Like I said, it'll be a lot of units. It'll be 216 units by the time we're done. We're getting the first 18 done, and they will be selling soon. Now remember, our price point is the low 200s. And with our loan programs that we have, you can almost get in here for about $1,000. So definitely hit us up. The website is Residence on Covington. They both work. You can call us, call our office directly at 855-404-SOLD or 855-505-UWIN, UWIN. And we're ready to work with you. We're excited about it. We're excited to step into the community with this affordable luxury. As you can see, all of our services are top tier, chef's kiss. So it's going to be a nice opportunity for so many people. Investors, older people, second home, retirees. We're not far from the airport. We're not far from Stone Mountain. Decatur's kind of centralized. It's very multicultural. It's very walkable. I think you guys are going to love it. So reach out.